Google Chrome has a secret tool built into the Chrome browser that it makes it easier for you to read a website. Now, notice this article, lots of great information, but it also has images, ads, lots of extra links. To help reduce those distractions, try going to the three-dot menu and under More Tools, choose Reading Mode. Reading Mode pulls up a side panel right next to the article that removes all of those extra distractions, and it gives you more. At the toolbar at the top, you can choose to change the text size, making it easier for you to read. More than that, you can even change the font to something that's friendly for your eyes, especially if you struggle with dyslexia. You can change the color of the background, you can change the spacing of the letters and the lines, whatever you need to be more successful while you're reading. But because you don't want to miss out on those photos and videos, you can double-click on the right-hand side and it skips you to that place in the article. You can also choose to make the links active or inactive. Now, only on a Chromebook, you have the option of turning on a read aloud accommodation. So choose your voice, choose your speed, and when you hit the play button,
The Apollo 13 rescue captivated the world. It took years for the true tale to
the
be told
browser
on
will
screen.
automatically read the screen to you.